Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to apply for the Robinhood Debit Card in 2025. Let's dive in and discover the benefits of having this card. Before we start, you need to have your Robinhood account set up. Make sure you have all your details ready. Let's navigate the Robinhood app to find the debit card section. It's user-friendly and easy to access. Step 1. Open the app and access the Cash Management feature from the main menu. Step 2. Once you're in the Cash Management section, select the Apply for Debit Card option. Step 3. Take a moment to thoroughly review the terms and conditions before proceeding. Step 4. Fill in your necessary personal information accurately. This is crucial for the application. Step 5. Confirm your identity and review all application details before submission. Once you submit your application, you may be wondering what happens next. Expect an update from Robinhood regarding your application status soon. To wrap up, remember to manage your spending wisely and enjoy the benefits of your new card. Happy spending!